Hey guys, good morning. I thought we would try something different today. So I wanted to do the calendar with you like we used to do in our classroom. I really miss our schedule and I really miss all the things that we did during the day, like calendar and literacy groups and math groups. I miss eating breakfast with you and eating lunch. When we got to go to work and recess, all the things that you guys got to do with your friends. So anything that I can try to make be the same a little bit, I'd like to do that. So we're going to try to do the calendar. So if you guys are watching this with your family, feel free to sing along because you guys know I don't have the best singing voice. So here we go. Except we're going to start from the beginning. There we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and today would be 24. Good job. Today is 24. And if you look at our pattern that we've been making, it was cube, cube, sphere, cube, cube, sphere, cube, cube, sphere. So we get all the way down here and we had cube and cube in a sphere. So what shape would be tomorrow? A cube. Very good. Oh, we have a lot of counting tape to put up. Let's see. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And there you guys can see the pattern again. Cube, cube, sphere. Hey, look, it's Number Bear. So I'm gonna take all this off because that was from when we were at school. Oh, except I don't want his hat to go away. All right, let's see. Is that going to make his hat go away? No. We don't want his hat to go away. So let's do Number Bear. You guys loved Number Bear, remember? All right. I don't have a calendar helper. I could get one of my dogs to help, but they're not as smart as you guys are, so we'll let them sleep. We'll let them sleep. All right. I'm just going to do some buttons today. I'm just going to do blue and green, and I'm going to make a pattern like you guys like to do. So I'm going to do a blue button and a green button and, oopsie, and a blue button and a green button. Where did it go? Green button. So that's 4, 5, 6. All right, I'm going to stop here And I want you guys to count and tell whoever's watching this with you how many more we need to make 9. So if we have 6 and we're trying to get to 9, how many more do I need to add to get to 9? 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 3 more. So there's 1, 2, 3. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9. Great job. Now I'm going to save it. Excuse me. Okay, so remember before we left, we were getting ready for the zoo. That was like the last day that I got to see you guys was zoo field trip day, which we had a blast, but I'm so sad that was the last day. But before that, we started doing sight words. Instead of our literacy cycles, we started doing like sight word cycles, and we had started doing the word see. So I thought that we could do this real quick. So remember, this is the word see, and we see that it has an S, an E, and an E. And those are the 3 letters that we use to put together to make the word see. So I'm going to come down here and you guys read with whoever is watching this with you. You read these sentences, okay? And remember to point to each word as you read, because that's exactly what I was getting ready to do, and I thought, let me say it. I see a ball. I see a hat. I see a pig. Great job. All right, we're going to watch this little video, so hang tight. Let's see if it works. Let's hope that it works. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
S E E S E E. I can see you. S E E S E E S E E. I can see you. S E E. I see the sun. I see the moon. I see me, and I see you. S E E S E E. I can see you. S E E.
Okay, so that is, oopsie, that is C. Oops, sorry. So let's go on to the next page. So I'm going to move these out of the way, these black rectangles. And you guys are going to look at them, look at the what's underneath of it, and you are going to tell the person that you are watching this with what letter is missing. Okay? Can you think about what letter is missing from the word see? That's right, the S. S-E-E. So the S is missing. Great job. Let's go to this one. What letter is missing there? The E. You're right. S-E-E. What about now? S-E-E. Great job. The E is missing. This is a tricky one. Who can do it? The S is missing and the other E is missing. Very good. So S-E-E spells see. Oh, now we get to mix them up. They're all mixed up and we get to make them right. We get to fix them. Let's see. What would I do first? S. Then what? E. E. Good job. And this one? What comes first? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. S. E. E. Very good. Ooh, now I get to write it. And it's going to be tricky because I'm going to write it with a pen and I'm not at the board. So I'm going to try to use, I'm using my mouse. So we're going to give it a try. Let's see, we'll do red. S. E. E. Good. All right, I'm not going to write this one. I want you to point in the air or at your screen if you're watching it on a phone or a tablet or a computer. However you're watching it, I want you to point to the 3 boxes and I want you to write those letters that I just wrote. S, E, E. I'm going to give you a few. Did you write it? Awesome. All right, last page here. We're going to read these sentences. And whoever you're watching this with, I want you to read it to them, okay? I see a fox. Remember, when you're reading, you're looking at the pictures, and the pictures help us, give us a clue of what we are reading about. So let's do the next one. I see a, what is that? That's a man. So let's do that again. I see a man. I see a kid. I see a bug. You guys did a really good job. So thank you so much for tuning in to Calendar Time. It felt really good to do something that we used to do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it this morning. I had fun, and I will see you soon. I will see you very soon. Love you guys. Bye. How do I stop? Got it. Bye.